Let us start morning Manasrivilan session with Ganesha Vandana altogether. Om Ham Sangam Bhagavate Nitya Yoga Yuktaya Satchidananda Rupine Vinayakaya Namaha. Altogether, Adhyatana Panchangam Panchavinshatyadika Ekashatotara पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री शोभकृत् नाम संवत्सरः दक्षिणायनं शरद ऋतुः आश्विन मासः शुक्लपक्षः didn't follow द्वितीया तिथिः स्वाति नक्षत्रं विष्कम्भ योगः बालवकरणं इंदुवासरः. Today's date 16th October 2023 Monday. We'll chant all together first 13. Start. Aigiri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishwa Vinodini Nandanute Girivara Vindhya Shirodini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Vishnu Nute Bhagavati कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्गा जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते विजितसहस्रकरैकसहस्रकरैकसहस्रकरैकनुते कृतसुरतारक संगरतारक संगरतारक सोनुसुते सुरथ समाधि समान समाधि 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 सुजातरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते पदकमलं करुणानिलये वरिवस्यति योऽनुदिनं स शिवे अयि कमले कमलानिलये कमलानिलयः स कथं न भवेत् तव पदमेव परं पदमित्यनुशीलयतो मम किन्न शिवे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते पदकमलं करुणानिलये वरिवस्यति योऽनुदिनं स शिवे अयि कमले कमलानिलये कमलानिलयः स कथं न भवेत् तव पदमेव परं पदमित्यनुशीलयतो मम किन्न शिवे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते Chapter 12, Shloka number 10. अभ्यासेऽप्यसमर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि
सुप्रभातम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः श्री मात्रे नमः Today's shloka अभ्यासे अपि असमर्थः असि मत्कर्म परमः भव मदर्थम अपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिं अवाप्स्यसि So in this series, in this Bhakti Yoga description, Bhakti Yoga chapter, we see that Bhagavan Krishna is giving easier and easier and easier methods to do bhakti. Initially he said, Mayeva mana adhatsva, Mayi buddhim nireshaya nikasishyasi mayeva atavurdham na samshayah, atha chittam samadhatum na shaknoshi mayi sthiram, अभ्यास योगेन ततो मामिच्छाप्तुं धनञ्जय अभ्यासेऽप्य समर्थोऽसि मत्कर्म परमो भव मदर्थमपि कर्माणि कुर्वन् सिद्धिमवाप्स्यसि. Third step he has come down. That is, there are certain higher expectations that the ideal way of doing bhakti yoga, mayyeva mana adhatsva, Be totally immersed in me. Mayi buddhim nivesha. Your manas, buddhi, everything, let it be surrendered to me. Be totally dedicated in that way. If you are not able to do Abhyasa Yoga, Abhyasa Yogena tato mamichhaptum dhananjaya. The second step, Krishna is coming down to do bhakti or to give paths to do bhakti in an easier way. Okay, if you are not able to aharnisham, day and night, every time, just like Ramakrishna Paramahamsa or any other great sage or Meera who said, Mere to Giridhar Gopal, dusro na koi. So in that way, if you are not able to do, come down, just whenever you sit for meditation, try to focus upon one Devata Swarupa and then Sarvataha Chetaha Samahritya Punah Punaha Sthapanam Abhyasa Yoga. That is Acharya Shankara's commentary. So just sit before a form of a Devata, be it Krishna, Ganesha, Devi, Bhagavan, Vishnu, whichever form. Try to not focus on any other thing. Whenever your mind goes away elsewhere, tapastrataha niyamyeitad atmanyeva vashamaya. Atmanyeva in the 6th chapter, here on the murta, in any given form, bring your mind back. Your desired Ishta Devata, bring your mind back. That is Abhyasa Yoga. Sorry sir, this is also very difficult for me. I find no time, or this is how normally we say. So this is the highest expectation, not possible, time is not available, okay. The second step, even that is not possible, okay, I am ready to compromise. Krishna says, Abhyasepi asamarthaha asi. If you are not able to sit for some time, just like a puja is happening, a prayer is happening here, keeping the mind in the process. And even if it goes out, trying to bring back and focus. No sir, this is also not possible. Then Krishna says, Abhyasepi asamarthaha asi. Mat karma paramo bhava. Whatever you do, or do it, or do the actions for me. So, whatever actions that you perform, think that I am doing it as Ishvara Seva. You go about doing your own work. Wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, take bath, go to the class, or do your class. Whatever we do, do your work. Whatever you do, Madartham. Offer every action to Bhagavan. So nothing else, you need not come to the temple, sit before me, bring your mind, focus the mind back on the Devata Swarupa. No. That is not needed. Any action that you do, just offer it to Bhagavan. Madarthamapi karmani kurvan siddhi bhavapsasi. Do your own profession. Be a doctor, be a teacher, be an engineer, be whatever thing, be a clerk. Whatever work you do it that I am a sevaka of Bhagavan. That's all. So with that bhava, do your actions. So this is how beautifully, so this is also Bhakti Yoga. This is also acceptable. And there is some more steps. Krishna is going to come, some more steps down. So you can see that this is the inclusivity of Sanatana Dharma. There are of course certain highest expectations, highest disciplines, highest principles of practice. For example, we are in the Navaratri celebration where if you have the Shri Chakra Puja, how many details, how many intricacies. Navavarana Puja will be there. So much of complication, so many details are there, so many rules and regulations are to be followed. That is the highest expectation. If not, at least chant the Lalita Sahasranama in the morning or in the evening. Light a lamp and do that. Even if you are not able to do that, just remember Bhagavati Lalita, Bhagavat Swarupa and then go about your work, at least during this Navaratri. So in this way, this is the way Bhagavan is ready to come down and embrace and accept everyone. So while there are highest watermarks of bhakti, see the point is, why is not the easy step readily given? Why is that most difficult step is given and then slowly all these things are watered down? Because, see the toughest one if you scale, then you are closer to the siddhi quickly. Tivra samveganam asannaha. That is Yoga Sutra. See, all this is the template that is given in the Yoga Sutra. Tivra samveganam asannaha. If you want to attain the siddhi quickly, take the toughest path. No problem. I will take 2 more births, 10 more births, 50 more births, no problem. then take the middle path. I don't think about that. I just want to live my life, but still Bhagavan wants to guide us. So just remember the Devata Swarupa just before starting your work and offer every work that you do to Bhagavan. So that is the Adhimatra, Madhya and Mrudu. So in this way, this is the only dharma, Sanatana dharma, that you will find that Bhagavan, so there are Pradhana Bhakti Marga and there are Gauna Bhakti. So these are all the Guna Bhakti or Gauna Bhakti Margas that one can opt and still stay with the practice. See, even in our day-to-day life, we may take up various disciplines of practice, in education or any other, be it the yoga practice or any other wellness practice, anything that we do on a particular given day, as per the expectation, 50 minutes of practice we are not able to do. At least to do it for 30 minutes. No, today I don't feel. At least to do it for 10 minutes. No, that is also not possible. Just to sit and then think about the practice that you should have done that particular day. According to Yoga Yajnavalkya Samhita, a 13th century text, it says, if on any given day, if you are not able to do your Nitya Karma or yoga practice, just mentally visualizing the sequence of practice itself becomes pratyahara. So in this way, our tradition, while it is maintaining higher standards about various kinds of yoga, it is also ready to accommodate the various guna modifications, because we are all made up of the guna. One day sattva guna will be high, so that we will come 5 o'clock for the meditation. On the other day there will be rajo guna, and the other day there will be tamo guna. So guna viparyaya will happen. So our tradition accommodates all these, and then Krishna is providing various such steps. So be it bhakti, be it in our day-to-day activities or commitments, let us stay in the path. Even that's why Krishna earlier also says, Shreyam Swadharmo Viguna. Do your Swadharma, even if it is for a little time, or even though if you don't fulfill it in its fullest way, do it a little. Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhaya. So that is the tradition, that is the template to be a sadhaka and always be in the path without getting distracted.
We request Professor Jayant